This is nice. There's the little cubby. There's the little bottom part. And top, I have a fan, which I was moving in the winter, and it looked really cute then. And in the back, you can't see the charger. I have it where you can't see it. And in the back, it has more space. You can just sit while worry about the bed or something. See that little space there? Which one? But when I get rid of this big fan, it's gonna be really, really cheap. I think it's cute now though. It's well worth it. And it was so easy to put together. Very easy. And there you go. And it's good to have a phone charger. Just lean over and just pay it on it and put it right up there. That's the most convenient thing for me. Because with the other charge, I'll forget. But this one, I could see it. And I don't fall asleep and just not see it. So I like it a lot. It's well worth it. And it's so easy to put together. I mean, really easy. I love it. There you go.
The skills of cook. I taught this as a kid. It's amazing.
What?
Our workstation.
Okay, wave at Gigi.
Hi.
It's still really nerve-wracking, but it's such a fun surprise, I think.